Florence, Italy, a city that needs no introduction. It's a place where history comes alive, where art floods the streets, and every corner whispers stories of the past. Florence is a feast for the senses. From the majestic Duomo to the Ponte Vecchio, the aroma of freshly baked bread fills the air. Cobblestone streets lead you on an unforgettable journey. Get ready to be captivated by Florence, to fall in love with its beauty, and to create memories that last a lifetime. Let's begin our exploration. The Duomo, Florence's crown jewel, stands tall. Its magnificent dome, a masterpiece by Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline. Step inside and be awestruck by its grandeur. Don't miss the baptistry of San Giovanni. Its bronze doors, adorned with intricate details, are a sight to behold. The Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge lined with shops, is another must-see. The Uffizi Gallery houses an unparalleled collection of Renaissance art. Michelangelo's David, a symbol of Florence, awaits you at the Accademia Gallery. Florence is a city that will leave you breathless. Florence is a city steeped in history. The Palazzo Vecchio, once the seat of power, now houses impressive art and frescoes. Walk through its halls and imagine the Medici family's reign. The Bargello Museum boasts a remarkable collection of sculptures, including Donatello's David. The Museo di San Marco offers a glimpse into the life of Fra Angelico, a renowned Renaissance painter. The Basilica di Santa Croce, a Franciscan church, is the final resting place of Michelangelo, Galileo, and Machiavelli. History comes alive in Florence, leaving an unforgettable mark on your soul. Florentine cuisine is a delight for the palate. Trattorias, family-run restaurants, offer authentic dishes. Start with a classic ribollita, a hearty bread soup. Indulge in tagliatelle al tartufo, pasta with truffles, a true delicacy. For the main course, try bistecca alla fiorentina, a thick, juicy T-bone steak. Don't forget to savour lampredotto, a traditional Florentine street food made with tripe. End your meal with a sweet treat like cantucci, almond biscuits, paired with vinsanto, a dessert wine. Florence's culinary scene will tantalise your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Section 5. Getting around Florence. Navigating the city with ease. Florence is a very walkable city. Its narrow streets and hidden alleys beckon you to explore on foot. Lose yourself in its charm and discover hidden gems along the way. Public transportation is efficient and affordable. Buses and trams connect you to different parts of the city. Taxis are readily available, but traffic can be a challenge. Consider renting a bicycle for a leisurely ride along the Arno River. Enjoy the fresh air and scenic views. Florence offers convenient and enjoyable ways to navigate its enchanting streets. Section 6. Finding your home away from home. Accommodation options. Florence offers a wide range of accommodations to suit every budget and preference. From luxurious hotels to cozy guest houses, you'll find the perfect place to stay. Hotels in the historic centre provide easy access to major attractions. Boutique hotels offer unique experiences and personalised service. For budget-conscious travellers, hostels provide affordable dormitory-style rooms. Apartments and villas offer more space and privacy, ideal for families or groups. Consider Airbnb for a local experience. No matter your choice, Florence has the perfect accommodation to make your stay comfortable and memorable. Section 7. Beyond the Tourist Trail. Unveiling Hidden Gems. Venture beyond the well-trodden paths and discover Florence's hidden gems. These are the places where the true essence of the city comes alive, away from the bustling tourist spots. The Oltrarno district, located across the Arno River, offers a more local experience. Here, you can wander through narrow streets and find hidden courtyards that tell stories of the past. Explore its artisan workshops, charming cafes, and vintage shops. Each corner of this district is filled with creativity and history, making it a perfect spot for those who seek authenticity. Visit the Boboli Gardens, a sprawling park behind the Pitti Palace, for a serene escape. This lush green space offers a peaceful retreat with its beautifully landscaped gardens and historic sculptures. Admire the Medici chapels, a hidden architectural marvel. The intricate designs and rich history of this place provide a glimpse into the grandeur of Florence's past. Don't miss the Bardini Garden, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. This garden is a perfect blend of nature and art, providing a tranquil spot to relax and enjoy the scenery. Escape the crowds and immerse yourself in the authentic charm of Florence's lesser-known treasures. These quiet streets and neighborhoods offer a glimpse into the daily life of locals. You'll be rewarded with unique experiences and unforgettable memories. From hidden cafes to secret gardens, Florence's hidden gems are waiting to be discovered by those willing to explore beyond the usual paths. Section 8. The Magic of Florence. A city that captures the heart. Florence is a city that stays with you long after you've left. Its narrow, cobblestone streets and historic architecture create a timeless atmosphere that feels like stepping into a living museum. Its beauty, history, and culture leave an indelible mark on your soul. The art and sculptures, from Michelangelo's David to Botticelli's Birth of Venus, are treasures that inspire awe and wonder. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by its charm. The city's vibrant energy is palpable, with bustling markets, lively piazzas, and the constant hum of conversation in the air. The sound of street musicians fills the air, adding a melodic backdrop to your exploration. Whether it's a violinist near the Uffizi or a guitarist on the Ponte Vecchio, music is the heartbeat of Florence. The aroma of coffee and pastries tempts your senses. Each cafe and bakery offers a unique taste of Florence, from rich espressos to delicate pastries that melt in your mouth. The warmth of the Florentine people welcomes you. Their genuine hospitality and friendly smiles make you feel at home, whether you're browsing a local market or simply asking for directions. Florence is a city that captures the heart. Its picturesque views from the iconic Ponte Vecchio to the serene Arno River provide the perfect backdrop for unforgettable moments. It's a place where you can lose yourself in art, history, and the simple pleasures of life. Stroll through the Boboli Gardens or marvel at the masterpieces in the Uffizi Gallery. Every corner of Florence tells a story. Florence is a city that will stay with you forever. As the sun sets and the city lights up, you'll find yourself enchanted by its timeless beauty, longing to return again and again. Section 9. Plan your Florentine escape. Tips for an unforgettable trip. Planning a trip to Florence is exciting. The city is rich in history, art, and culture, making it a dream destination for many. To make the most of your adventure, consider these tips. They will help you navigate the city and ensure you have an unforgettable experience. Visit during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall, for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. This is the best time to enjoy the city's beauty without the hustle and bustle of peak tourist season. Book accommodations and tours in advance, especially during peak season. This ensures you get the best options and avoid last-minute hassles. Pack comfortable shoes, as you'll be doing a lot of walking. Florence's cobblestone streets and historic sites are best explored on foot. Learn a few basic Italian phrases to enhance your interactions with locals. A simple grazie or buongiorno can go a long way in making connections. Most importantly, come with an open mind and a sense of adventure. Embrace the local culture, try new foods, and participate in local traditions. Florence is a city that rewards exploration. Wander through its narrow streets, and you might stumble upon hidden gems that aren't in any guidebook. Let yourself get lost in its beauty and create memories that will last a lifetime. Capture the stunning architecture and scenic views to remember your trip. Florence awaits, ready to enchant you. The city's charm and allure are sure to leave a lasting impression on your heart.